You can use Roblox in your web browser directly, and or if you want to download the Roblox app in your computer, this tutorial review will guide you how you can do it. Open your browser and type roblox.com/download, and then you will jump into Roblox official download page, and here click on download now, and here you will get the Roblox installer. Now launch this Roblox player launcher installer. Run. And it may take some time to install the Roblox on your computer. And as you can see, the Roblox has been successfully installed in my computer. And now I can easily use the Roblox software in my computer. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.